In this video, I'm going to be showing you a Maxbounty free traffic method that you can use to promote CPA offers in 2020. Now, this method is going to be great if you don't have too much budget to run paid traffic, you don't know how to build out websites and funnels and things like that, or you just haven't seen success online yet. So make sure you watch this video to the end and so you don't miss anything important. And if you want to learn how to rank YouTube videos to make a full-time passive income, definitely recommend you go check out my course down below in the description. And make sure you subscribe to my channel right now and turn on post notifications to be notified when I release my next video. Now, without further ado, let's get straight into this training. All right, so before we get into the actual method and the traffic source and things like that, first thing you want to do is definitely go and join Maxbounty if you haven't already. Very, very easy to get into. It's a beginner-friendly CPA network. I definitely recommend you go to youtube.com and check out my Maxbounty approval video. It still works to this day. I also made an updated one. Might be ranked somewhere. Yeah, this one right here. How to get approved Maxbounty. You can watch either video and use the same script I use inside the application, because you can come down here to affiliates and click on become an affiliate and then watch my video so you can know exactly how to get inside within 24 hours or less. So that'll be that. And then from there, once you're inside Maxbounty, this is pretty much the dashboard. And the offer that we're going to be using for the rest of this video is the Norton antivirus. It's the top offer on Maxbounty, as you can see right here on the top campaigns tab. We're going to be using this for the rest of this method. Pays out $45 per lead. It's in the e-com field. A lot of you already know what this is. It's just one of those antivirus softwares that you could download on your PC, Mac, whatever the case may be. I don't even know you can download on your phone. It says and mobile devices. But definitely allows social traffic. Now, the method we're going to be using is YouTube, and YouTube is social, so that's good. Yeah, we can use that. The EPC is 42 cents, which is actually another great thing about this offer. That means it's converting. And boom, you can check out different landing page previews for different countries. And that is pretty much that. So another thing we could do is actually check out the landing page so you can get a feel for it. Choose your language, English, very, very clean. This is like a real e-com offer. So this is an offer you could probably run with Facebook ads, to be honest, and run, direct link with it. But you can see this website has been getting over 80 million, almost 100 million hits in a month. So this is definitely something that you probably will want to promote. Next thing we're going to need to do is go over to youtube.com. All right, so now that we're over on YouTube, like I said, we're going to be using this for the traffic source throughout this video. And what we're going to be doing is basically creating a video for this offer. Now, you might be asking what kind of video. All you literally have to do is create a simple video review explaining the, obviously can't spell, let me see, Norton antivirus 2019 review. So you can literally, we're just doing some little research right now, but literally all you have to do is just create a simple video review of the software itself. So if you have it downloaded, or you could just go, another thing you can actually do too, I'm gonna pull up in a second, you can pull up different articles, you can watch these videos, you can get all the benefits and features from the actual company website. So let's see. So let's say we wanted to just click on learn more. See where this takes us. It should give us some type of features and benefits and what it comes with. Boom. So here you go, right here. You can use all this stuff inside your video review. Let's see. Scroll down. Boom. This is exactly what you would want to say inside your video or use. Whether you're talking over a PowerPoint, you pay somebody else to do it, wherever the case may be, you definitely want to make sure you throw all this stuff in there. Let me go back to YouTube. Let me just show y'all in a review, for example. Let me open this in a new tab. So yeah, we can check this out for a second. I just want to get a feel for exactly what this person did. As you can see, they ranked.
Hey guys, Anthony here with a review on Norton Security, which is an all-in-one computer performance. You also have several options to run manual.
See, all you're doing is really just, he probably downloaded the thing itself and just going over the features and benefits. So as I skip through the video, boom. It was really just all screenshots, like literally. Look at this. If you could watch these videos and can tell yourself, like, man, I can do the same thing. That's all it really is. And then from there, let's check out the actual SEO. So you got the description. I'm trying to see if you got an affiliate link. Boom, here you go. By Norton Security Standard, Amazon So he using the Amazon link, and I bet any kind of money he getting. Let me click on it. You see how much it is. Oh wait, dang, the links is broken. Okay, this one not. So Amazon, he actually missing out on money. So even if he is getting commissions and stuff like that, Amazon they pay out like pennies. So if you was over at Maxbounty getting these same commissions, you're getting paid out $45. So he really missing out on a lot of money just going through Amazon. But let me see. Yep, he is an affiliate. Affiliate disclaimer: if you use the links, blah blah blah, and boom. Let me go to the comment section. You have convinced me, and I have purchased the deluxe. Literally, that's all it is. Like, look at this. Very, very simple. All you did was create a simple almost 6 minute video review going over the product, what it has to offer, how can it help you, why you need it, etc., etc. Then he went over and ranked for the Norton Security Review 2019. It only got 2,000 views on this, and he uploaded this a few months ago. You can see the video optimization checklist. Now, this is how you able to see like the tags and what he's ranking for. You would have to go and download this Chrome extension called vidIQ. This is the Chrome extension right here, vidIQ. You can literally just search it in the Chrome web store, download it for free. It'll only take a few seconds to do. Then you can copy all the tags and stuff that the person is ranking for and use it for your own video. But like I said, all you would do is just make a simple video review of the product. Create a simple, all you gotta do is make a similar description to this. You don't even need it this long, just something, maybe a paragraph tops, really, because in all my videos I'm ranking for, I literally don't say more than a paragraph worth of text. And then you can just copy the tags that he used to rank. So because you can see rank number 21 for this, you can use that. Norton Security Review. What I probably do is throw in Norton Security Review 2019, 2020, you know what I'm saying, etc., etc. And from there, you just upload the video. Now, another thing I wanted to talk about was creating the content. So say maybe you don't want to get on camera, you don't want to record your own voiceover, anything like that. You can literally go and download, or not download, but use Content Samurai. Start your free 7-day trial. I'll leave a link down below for that if you're interested in Content Samurai. But all you would literally do is find the article or come up with the article yourself and basically paste it in here. And they're going to give you the voiceover, the slides, animated videos, everything. All you're doing is literally just adding the article in. So let me show you, for example, what that would look like. So we can go with, what color is Norton? We can go with the yellow template. I like that. So neon yellow template. Use this template. Very, very easy to use. As you can see, write or paste your video script right here. Like I said, you can just find a simple video, well, a simple article, or whatever the case may be, and basically just copy and paste. Norton antivirus. Let me show you an example. Copy this, paste it there. Matter of fact, we can just copy the whole. You see me copy it all the way down to the pros and cons, just so y'all can see, for example, what I'm talking about. Scroll, boom, paste that right there. Looks good. So what we about to do is create scenes for your video, so I can show y'all. And it's creating scenes, 38%. So here goes scene 1. You can actually customize a lot of this stuff. Pretty much everything you see on the video. You can move the text to the middle, to the top, to the side, top, bottom, wherever you want to do. And then for the video clips inside the actual slideshow, whatever you want to call it, you can change it right here. You can search for videos. You can upload different videos and things like that. So how the Content Samurai comes up with, what's it called, animated videos or background images or videos to come up with, is they take keywords out the article and then find related videos towards it automatically. So you don't even have to do it yourself. And then you just edit pretty much every slide that you don't like or just want to change, wherever the case may be. And once you review everything, you just scroll all the way to the bottom and boom, all your scenes are complete. Add a voice track to your video. Let's see, auto voice. We can go with Harry because that's the, he sound the best out of all these people. I already played all of them, but I'll play the sample for y'all.
Hi, my name is Harry and I would love to read the script.
So boom, got the auto voice. Now I can just preview a video. Like I said, it's literally as simple as finding an article. If you don't want to get on video, don't want to talk or anything like that, literally just download. I keep saying download, but use Content Samurai. Find the article on the internet covering the product that you want to promote. Have Content Samurai build out the scenes for your video. You can literally download this video, upload it onto YouTube, with the basic SEO that I was saying, you need to download the vidIQ. Find the top 3. What I do is go through the top 3 videos for that search term. Norton, let me see, let me go back to the product. But Norton antivirus, I would go and research on YouTube your top 3 videos and copy their tags and then use them inside my own video so I can get similar rankings. But let me press play just so y'all can see.
Our final verdict. All in all, Norton antivirus scores high if we consider its features, performance, and usability. Despite lacking a few important features, such as...
Y'all pretty much get the gist of it. It's just a simple, you know, what they call it, bot. I ain't gonna say bot, but very, very simple video slideshow that's going in detail over the product. And then from there, you would just click on looks good, continue. And from there, generate your video. Then once this is done, you'll just download it and go to YouTube and upload it. But let me show y'all. Let me go back. Remember, like I said, make a simple description. Literally just a paragraph, just a summary of what they seeing inside the video. You can literally put that there. And you want to make sure another thing he's doing wrong. I ain't gonna say wrong, but I feel like he's missing out on some money. For one, he using Amazon. He could have been in Maxbounty getting $45 per lead, but I would have put these links at the top of the description. So when people is looking for, say they get done with the video and they want to buy it, they got to come scroll all the way damn near to the bottom of the description to buy the thing. You want to put it at the first line. You want to make sure it's inside your comment section as a pinned comment. So that way people can scroll down to the description or the comment section to purchase it. And another thing you want to do is at the end of your videos, give a call to action. Let me see if he did. I don't think he did. Let me see.
Be helpful if earlier, if you decide to purchase Norton Security, shop around, you can check this Amazon link.
Oh yeah, he did. So yeah, at the end of all your videos, you definitely want to make sure you give a call to action. Call to action is basically just telling people exactly what to do to get access to the information you tell them. That's all it is. And yeah, man, that's pretty much that. Now, of course, there's extra stuff, you know, like thumbnails and things like that. So if you can go back to Norton antivirus review, you can make this stand out. Yeah, that's what I was about to say. I would make a thumbnail that's bright yellow that stands out over the videos that's already ranked. You don't want to make a thumbnail that's exactly like everybody else's. They're just going to skip over it. So you want to make one that pops. And to make thumbnails, you can easily just go to canva.com and create your free thumbnail. It's similar to Photoshop, and a lot of big YouTubers use it anyway. So, yep. And once you find the article, upload it into Content Samurai, generate the video, download it, upload it to YouTube, make a similar title. So what you can do, Norton antivirus review, and then you could do something like don't buy until you watch this. Simple. I can literally, and I do just capitalize the first letter in all those words. Boom. Norton antivirus 2019 review. Don't buy it until you watch this. People are gonna be like, dang, what's this about? You know what I'm saying? Then on the thumbnail, you probably got the red X on there. It's literally just to kind of like clickbait people into watching your video and things like that. So you'll naturally get a higher click-through rate when you use titles like this. But like I said, that's pretty much that, man. And copy the tags like I mentioned before and just upload it to YouTube. Now, what you can do for rankings, just because more than likely if you starting out with this method, you got a small channel with little to no subscribers, so it is going to be kind of hard to rank. And you literally need to know how to rank videos because it's extra stuff you have to do after the video is published to make sure it's ranked. And I go over all that stuff inside my YouTube passive income course. First link in the description down below. But that is pretty much all I got for this video, man. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, leave a comment down below. You know, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, subscribe to my channel right now. Turn on post notifications so you can be notified when I release my next video. That's all I got for this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.